Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make viral monkey vlogging video. Here you can see I'm using Gemini AI Pro version. I got it just a few days back. I have 15 months of access. I'll show you how to get it, how you can also get it. For that, you just need to subscribe to my channel. The next video is going to be about that. But this one is about the viral monkey vlogging video. So this is the prompt I gave to Gemini AI Pro. So a monkey vlogging near Pashupatinath temple in Nepal. He's holding a stick to which GoPro camera is attached. The monkey is walking in the alleyway with a selfie video. Both sides of the alleyway has traditional shops. People looking at the monkey in a surprised manner. Following are the words the monkey is uttering while looking into the camera. Now keep these things in your mind, just because I want to make sure that the lip sync is matching. So this is these are the words that the monkey has to say while vlogging. I am in Nepal at the moment. Just a few meters away is the holiest place of Nepal, the Pashupatinath temple. So this is what the monkey will utter. So here I also told it to make sure the lip sync is accurate and the accent of the monkey is in US English. So this was the prompt and this is what the video was rendered. Let's play it and you can hear it yourself.
I am in Nepal at the moment. Just a few meters away is the holiest place of Nepal, the Pashupatinath temple.
It is quite accurate, but see,
I am in Nepal at the moment.
But see, the monkey is not wearing any kind of clothes. So let's do another prompt which I did here, and I asked it to people looking at the monkey in a surprise way. The monkey is wearing a hat and a proper three-piece suit, and the rest of the prompt was same as the above. So this was the video then. Here you can see the monkey is wearing a three-piece suit, and let's play it.
Temple. I am in Nepal at the moment. Just a few meters away is the holiest place of Nepal, the Pashupatinath temple. I am in Nepal at...
Okay, this one has accurate details. Only one thing is missing, which is US English. It is more of Indian English. And now I have given it another prompt to which a video is being generated, and I'll be sharing this video in my next video. And in this one I have added a few things, and those are: the monkey should look like human beings with 6 feet height and a muscular body. Now for that video you need to wait, and I will also tell you in that video that how you can also get 15 months of Gemini AI Pro, using which you can use Veo3 to create these kind of videos for yourself. So this is something that I created recently. Everyone was creating these kind of videos in Hindi in India. I thought about creating it in English to give it another spin. So you have just seen the result. Now I'll be posting another one in a few days. So subscribe to the channel so that I can share those videos with you and you can get notified. Thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.